everyone. In previous session, we discussed about K-map and product of sum of product, and also implementation of multiplexer and design of multiplexer. And also I explained one problem regarding Kuhn-McCluskey method. In this session, today's session, I will discuss another one set of problem regarding Kuhn-McCluskey method. This is very important question. So I am going to explain some more problems in next coming videos. Today I will explain this problem regarding a Kuhn-McCluskey method. First, before going to start this problem, step 1, you have to arrange the binary given expression in a tabular method. First, you have to arrange the value. How you will arrange? First step, number of zeros you have to enter first, number of single ones, number of two ones, and number of three ones. After writing that first step, next in step 2, you have to compare number of single ones with number of two ones, number of two ones with number of three ones, and so on. After getting that tabular method, next move on to the prime implicate method. This is a very important method that is called as a cutting method. Prime implicate method, that you have to comparison, that is bit comparison. After completion of bit comparison, let's go for prime implicate method using a cutting method. And finally, we have to write the expression. After getting that expression, we have to verify using a K-map. We have to write this expression in K-map and we will get the same answer. If the answer is wrong, then we have to check again the tabular method. Clear? We'll start first problem. This is f of a, b, c, d is equal to summation of minter 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 13 and 15. Yeah. First step. Step 1. A, B, C, D. This is step 1. In step 1, we are using 8, 4, 2, 1 method. First, check. There is no single zeros. So first go for 1. 1 only. Single ones. Number of single ones. This is 1. Indicate 0, 0, 0, 1. Number of single ones. Next, 2 is also a number of single ones. Here one single one is there. Next, 2 also 0, 0, 1, 0. Number of single ones. Now check for 5. 5, 4 plus 1. 2 ones is available here. So draw a line here. After completion of single ones. Next go for 2 ones. 2 ones indicate 5. 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. After 5, go for 6. 4 plus 2, 6. So 6. 0, 1, 1, 0. After 6, go for 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 ones. 1, 1, 1. So draw a line to bifurcate the number of 2 ones. After 2 ones, let's go for 3 ones. 7. 7. So 0, 1, 1, 1. 7. Next 13. Also 2 ones. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So 13 is 1, 1, 0, 1. Bifurcate number of 3 ones. Finally, 15 indicate number of 4 ones. So here, last column 15. 1, 1, 1, 1. This is first step. After completion of first step, next move on to step 2. That is bit comparison between this column and this column. This column and this column. So how we will compare? See here. Here 1 is there. You have to compare 1 with 5, 1 with 6. After that 2 with 5, 2 with 6. After comparison, you have to check if the value is in a single dash or not. How we will identify that single dash or not? In this step 2, we have to identify single dash. In step 3, we have to identify double dash. In step 4, triple dash and so on. Like that, we have to solve the tabular method. First step. After completion of first step, second step, we have to identify a single dash. So we have to compare 1 with 5. See here, 1 with 5. 0, 0 same. 0, 1 change. If the value is changed, you have to consider as a dash. 0, 0 same. 1, 1 same. So 1, 5 is available. 1, comma 5 is available. So 0, 0 same as it is. 0 with 1 change dash 0 0 same 1 1 same. So the final value is 0 dash 0 1. Similarly compare 1 and 6. See here 0 0 same 0 1 change 0 1 change. So it is 2 dashes available. So you have to neglect that one. Next after 1 6 next go for 2 2 5 0 0 same 0 1 change 1 0 change 2 changes are there. So neglect. Next come for 2 6 0 0 same 0 1 change 1 change is there 1 1 same 0 0 same. So now it is available. Which one? 2 and 6. 2 and 6. So 0 dash 1 0 0 dash 1 0. After completion of this one, draw again to bifurcate. Next compare 5 6 with 7 and 30. 5 6 with 7 and 30. First 5 7 5 30. Next 6 7 6 30. Now 5 7 compare 5 7 0 0 same 0 1 1 same 0 1 change 1 1 same. So it is available. So 5 7. So 5 7 is 0 0 1 dash 1 0 1 dash 1. Clear? Next after this 5 7 6 30. See here 0 1 change 1 1 same 1 0 change. So 6 30 is not available. So leave, neglect that one. Next come for 6 7. Sorry 5 7 after that 5 13 5 7 0 1 1 1 0 0 5 13 is available. So 5 13. See here 0 1 change dash 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1. After 5 13 6 7 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 available. So 6 7 is also available. 6 7 0 1 1 dash 0 1 1 dash. Clear? After this 6 7 6 13 is not available. 0 1 1 1 1 0 2 dash is available. So again you have to bifurcate. After bifurcating next last step 7 15 and 13 15 you have to come 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Only one change is there, that is 7 15 7 15. So that is dash 1 1 1 dash 1 1 1. See here 0 1 change dash 1 1 save 1 1 save 1 1 save. Next last is 13 15 1 1 save 1 1 save 0 1 change 1 1 save. It is also available, that is 13 15. So that is 1 1 dash 1 1 1 dash 1. After completion of this stage, let's go for step 3. This is very important step. You have to compare for double dash. How you will compare for double dash? Check here. You have to check entire thing. Where the dash is available. First 0 dash is second dash is available here. Check here. Second dash is available here. Compare 0 0 dash 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 dash. So 3 dashes no. Now I want only 2 dash. Compare here. See here. Here also. Come for 5 7. 5 7 0 1 dash. Third dash is available here. Check where this third dash is available. Here is third dash is available. Compare these two. 5 7 and 13 15. 5 7 13 15. 5 7 13 15. 0 1 change dash. 1 1 1. See. Next. Dash dash dash. Sorry. 5 7 0 1 change 1 1 dash again dash dash and just a minute 5 7 0 1 0 1 change dash 1 1 same as it is dash 1. Clear? So dash 1 dash. So 5 7 is over. Tick this one. 13 15 is also over. Tick. After completion of this, come for this one. First dash is available here. Check where this first is available. Here is first is available. Compare this two. 5 13 7 50. See here. Dash dash 1 1 0 1 dash 1 dash 1. That is 5 13 7 50. that is dash 1 dash 1. So tick this 2. 5, 13, 7, and come for this one, last dash. No last dash is available. So remaining is, which one is not compared? 1, 5, 2, 6 and 6, 7. These three are not compared for double dash. Right as it is in this step only. 1, 5, that is 0 dash 0, 1. Next 2, 6. 2, 6. 2, 6. 0 dash 1, 0. Next 2, 6 after that. Last is 6, 7. 6, 7. 0, 1, 1 dash. 0, 1, 1 dash. After this, now the step is prime implicant. This is a very important step. Whatever the given expression, write as it is. Whatever the value getting in the final step, write in left column. After that, we have to use the carting method. So, whatever the given expression, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 13, 50. This is the given expression. Clear? So what are the values given? Here 5, 7, 13, 15, 5, 13, 7, 15. Both are same. So take any one. So I will take 5, 7, 13, 15 only. So 5, 7, 13, 15. This one. Next 1, 5. Why I am taking only one? Because dash 1, dash 1, dash 1, dash 1. 5, 7, 13, 15, 5, 7, 13, 15. All are same. So anyone you can take. If you want to take, both are okay. But we'll get only one answer only at the end. So 5, 7, 13, 15, 1, 5 and 2, 6. And here 6, 7. Clear? After writing this method, now map the values getting in this final expression. 5, 7, 13, 15. Where is 5? 5 is there. Cross symbol. 7, 13, 15. Clear? 5, 7, 13, 15 is over. Next 1, 5. 1 is available here. 5 is available here. Next 2, 6. 2 is available here. 6 is available here. Next 6, 7. 6 is available here. 7 is available here. After mapping, now check where the value should be appearing only once in this column, that is vertical. So in this one, there is no mapping, 2 or 3 more mapping, only one mapping is available. Just mark it as a row. Here also check 2, only one mapping is there, mark as row. Check here, 2 mapping is there, 2 mapping is there, 2 mapping is there, leave. Single mapping is there, check. There is no overlapping matching. After round mark this mapping, the major thing and 80% of the problem is getting over. How? These 3 are 100% prime implicant, final value. These 3 are 100% prime implicants. And this one. Now only 6, 7 it is prime implicant or not. We have to check. How we will check? By using a carting method. So carting method, vertically, just horizontal or vertically you have to cart. Wherever the round mark is there, just you have to cart like this. We have to cart like this. Here also, starting here, cart this one. Here also, starting here, cart this one. Now carting is over. After carting, another 2 is remaining because there is no single mapping. Another 2 is remaining. How we will cart that one? If this is intersect with carting and this is also caught easily. If this is also intersect with easily, this is also caught easily. If any of the intersection is available to caught, then you have to caught. Otherwise, you have to leave. That is also a prime implicant. This is the major thing you have to learn in this Quine-McCluskey method. So finally, final expression is y is equal to, these 3 are prime implicant, 5, 7, 13, 15. 5, 7, 13, 15. A, B, C, D. A is not available dash. 1 indicates B. Last D. Plus. Next 1, 5. Where is 1, 5? 0 indicates bar. A bar. Dash. C bar. D. A bar, C bar, D. A bar, C bar, D. Plus. Finally, 2 6. A bar, C, D bar. A bar, C, D bar. This is the final answer for Queen Matrix method. After completion of this expression, now you have to verify this problem is correct or not. How you will verify? By using a Karnaugh map. Write a Karnaugh map. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, AB, AB bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, CD, CD bar. Clear? After getting, just you have to map the given expression. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 13, 15. 13, 15. Yeah. Now you have to map. So one quad is available here. This is y is equal to, write expression here only. Y is equal to, for this quad, A bar A is cancelled, remaining is B. P as it is here 2. C bar D, CD. C bar C is cancelled, remaining is BD plus. BD is available or not? Yes, it is available. So one expression is correct. Remaining two we have to check. Here, pair. Pair means A bar is same, B bar B is cancelling. A bar, CD bar. A bar, CD bar. Yes, A bar, CD bar is available here. Two expressions, 1, 2. You have to check for this one. How? One available. You have to pair. So A bar is same, B bar B is different. A bar plus A bar and remaining is C bar B. So check A bar, C bar, A bar, C bar. Yes. Three expressions are correct. So then the problem is 100% correct. After completion of this problem, in the examination they will ask design a NAND gate circuit only. By seeing this expression, you have to draw a NAND gate. In previous session, I discussed about NAND gate how to solve. Please go back to my videos and search how to design a NAND gate circuit. Thank you. Thank you one and all for listening to this video. If you have any doubt, please message me in the comment box. And also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all.